In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop student discount in H&M online. Start by heading to the H&M website. Once you land on the home page, give the page a moment to load fully so all the menus and footer links appear. From here, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. The student discount option usually lives in the footer area alongside customer service and policy links. Take your time and look for a link labeled Student Discount. If you don't spot it right away, make sure you're on the correct country site for your region. Since availability can vary, click the student discount link. This will take you to H&M's student savings page, which typically connects through Student Beans, a trusted student verification partner. On that page, read the short explainer on how students get the discount. It outlines the flow at a glance, so you know exactly what to expect before you proceed. Next, review the discount terms and conditions. This is important because it tells you the amount or percentage off, whether it's online only, any excluded categories, and if there's a minimum spend. It may also mention if the code is single use or time limited. Reading this now helps you avoid surprises later, like discovering the code can't be combined with other promos or doesn't apply to certain collections. When you're ready, create a free Student Beans account. Signing up is quick and straightforward. You'll be asked for basic details and to confirm you're an eligible student. Verification usually takes about 2 minutes. In many cases, this can be automated through your school email or an instant check. If not, the service may guide you through a simple proof process. Keep your information accurate so the verification goes through smoothly. After your student status is verified, reveal your unique H&M discount code. Copy it carefully so you don't mistype any characters. Then, at checkout on H&M's site, paste the code into the promo or discount code field. Make sure the discount appears in your order summary before you complete payment. If it doesn't apply, double check that the items in your bag aren't excluded and that the code hasn't expired. If you shop in a different currency or region, verify that the code is valid for that country site. That's the full process. Go to H&M, find and click student discount, read how it works, check the terms, create a free Student Beans account, verify your student status, and then reveal and enter your code at checkout. Follow these steps and you'll be set to save on your next H&M purchase.